Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and my today's topic is more about Scratch. So in the last video you must have seen about how to install Scratch, components of Scratch, how to create projects, save and open the project, right? So if you have not watched that video, then you can go to the I button which is at the top, and you can also go to the playlist which is being made for the Scratch. Okay, तो आप लोग वहां भी जा सकते हो. And yes, today we are going to see about the looks, then pan and other blocks. Okay, and how to paint the sprite and change the backdrop, and also to make the changes in the backdrop by making our own backdrop. And also we are going to see how to do the coding for it. So yes, so let's start. So first you just see this interesting part over here. You will understand that how beautifully it has been done. Just you have to see the scripting. यहाँ आपके सामने script ready है, right? आपको सिर्फ उसे place करना है, and you can see that it is done. Interesting part over here. देखिए देखिए, means it is too good. Those who are interested, they can see it over here कि हाँ आप लोगों को पता चलेगा कि हाँ भाई कैसा होता है, right? तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हो. I'll just click on open, right? And you can see it over here. Another one, बहुत interesting music भी आप बना सकते हो. You can create your own music. Yes, you can change the backdrop. You can see it over here, right? And you can give the tone over there, right? So just we will start this thing by scripting. So you must know, first of all I will give you one tip over here. मैं आपको एक टिप दे दूंगी कि हाँ पहले आप scripting उसकी ready कर लीजिए. If you know that how to prepare the script, तो आप prepare कर लोगे तो it will be easy for you that on working on the coding. So just I will go for new, and I will explain you about first of all that how to change the color. आपको sprite का color change करना है. Then what you will do? So you will go to the looks block, and in that you can see over there color वाला option आपको यहाँ दिखेगा, right? तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can go for the color effect. So change the color effect by, okay? और इसमें आपको दिख रहे होंगे numbers over here, right? So yes, you can see मैं यहाँ 50 लिखूंगी and we will change it the color. यहाँ हम लोग change करेंगे, right? And you can see I'll just play it over here. देखिए color change हो गया to 50, so it is turning green. You can take it any sort of color. Okay, मैं इस पर double click करूंगी and yes, it is blue. So most of the color effects are ranging from 0 to 100. 0 से 100 के बीच में ही होते हैं, right? अब मुझे चाहिए यहाँ कि हाँ मुझे कुछ लिखना है. I want to write it something, so say hello. So instead of hello you can write it how are you, right? So hi, how are you all? Okay, so I'll just write it over here. मैं यहाँ लिख दूंगी how are you all, and you just see that what will happen. Okay, so yes, यहाँ आपको दिख ही रहा होगा कि वो color change कर रहा है, and also with that you can see that hi how are you all, it is written. Okay, then you can see it over here कि हाँ भाई say hello in 2 seconds. अब मैं यहाँ दूसरा एक डाल रही हूँ, right? Block, that is okay. I've written, and now you can see I am fine. So 2 seconds it will take. और आपको जो भी रखना है like कि हाँ उसके बाद जो भी block होगा वो continue करने के पहले वो 2 seconds तक वो चलेगा. Means this text you will see it over there. Okay. Then we are having many other blocks over there like hide and show. If you want to hide it तो आप hide भी कर सकते हो, right? तो आप जैसे ही hide पे click करेंगे, right? So hide and show that you can do it. Okay. So here I'll just click on the event and we will start. Okay. So this is the thing that you can see it over here, right? अब हमें क्या करना है? Now I want to go for clear the graphic effects. यानी आपने जो भी graphic effect दिए हैं that you want to remove it, तो आप कर सकते हो. तो आप remove करने के लिए क्या करोगे? You will just go over there. पहले मैं हाइड एंड शो आपको दिखा दूं. जस्ट लेट अस गो टू अगेन द लुक्स एंड आई विल गिव इट हाइड एंड देन आई विल वेट फॉर अ सेकेंड. तो मुझे यहाँ थोड़ी देर रुकना है एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट विल शो. Okay, so again we will go for the show button over here and now let us see. Okay, so this way it will happen. Okay, तो ये hide हो गया and then show. Now the next one is about the pen blocks. तो हम लोग pen blocks के लिए जाएंगे. I will just remove it. यहाँ place कर देंगे तो every script will be removed from here. Okay, अब हम लोग जाएंगे pen. For that, now you must be knowing कि logo जिसने किया होगा in that pen up pen down everyone must be knowing. So if you want to draw anything, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था यहाँ I've just shown you over here. मैं open करके दिखाई देती हूँ. Okay, I'll just click on open and I will show you that file. Okay, I'll just place it over here. यहाँ आपको info वाला option मिल रहा होगा where I can do the rotation. तो मैं यहाँ उसको rotate कर दूंगी. I'll just rotate and make it fixed over here. Okay, तो ये भी एक अच्छी बात है, right? So here I've just placed it and now I will play over here. I'll clear this all. You can see it. मैंने यहाँ just okay. So this way I've made it. So you can also make it. तो यहाँ pen size जो है. So if you want to give the thickness to your pen, so I will just go for the new project and I will explain you about it. मैं यहाँ explain करूँगी आपको. Like here we will go with the pen and in that we have the option over here pen size, right? तो आपको pen size by default you get it 1, but if you want to make it more तो आप thickness उसकी बढ़ा सकते हो. So I will just go with 4 and yes, after that I want to go for the steps. तो मुझे यहाँ steps के लिए जाना है. So move 10 steps. So you will just see I will play it when clicked वाला ले लूँगी मैं event. Okay, and now just see. Okay, I've just taken the pen size, but what about the pen down, right? तो मैंने pen down तो किया ही नहीं है. So I will just go to pen down and I will start. You can see over here, right? आपको यहाँ दिख रहा होगा. If I will change the steps over here, मैं यहाँ उसे I'll just take it over here 100 and you just see what will happen. So let's start. Okay, so this way you can see it that I have changed the thickness and also the color. If you want to change, अगर आपको pen color change करना है then yes you can go for the set pen color also. आप pen का color change कर सकते हो, right? Even here you can see it the another option that is set the pen color, right? तो आप यहाँ set the pen color भी आप select कर सकते हो. I'll just go to this part. Here some numbering are being given over here. Like pen color के लिए 0 is for red, 70 is for green, 130 is for blue and 170 is for magenta and the color ranges from 0 to 200. Okay, तो मैं यहाँ देना चाहती हूँ 70 because I want green color. Okay, and now I will just start. You can see कि green color में वो change हो गया. I'll just change the position of the sprite. Okay, so yes, this way you can do it. Then next is about the pen up. अगर आप लिखना नहीं चाहते हो या you don't want to draw, okay, so if you want to make a puzzle, आप puzzle भी बना सकते हो. Like cat is going towards the cheese or maybe towards the mouse, तो आप वैसा भी game बना सकते हो. You can make the game over here, okay, with this. Now the next one is about the color palette. By default the basic color जो होते हैं वो 56 colors है for the selection, but after that, as I've told you, that 0 to 200 the color ranges are there. Now you want to paint the sprite. Okay, तो आप paint कैसे करोगे? So here we have the option, right? So just go to that and I want to make a circle. In that I want to make the ओके राइट, मैंने सर्कल बना दिया। अब मैं यहाँ उसकी आईज लेना चाहती हूँ। आई वॉन्ट टू मेक अ क्लाउन, तो मैं क्लाउन बना सकती हूँ। वट एवर यू विश, आपको जो अच्छा लगे वैसे आप बना सकते हो। इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट वॉट आई एम डूइंग वो आप सेम आप करो, राइट। तो आप कर सकते हो जैसे आपको चाहिए। एंड इवन यू कैन यूज द ब्रश टू ड्रॉ इट। मुझे यहाँ चाहिए ईयर्स, ओके। इवन यू कैन रोटेट दिस थिंग, आप रोटेट भी कर सकते हो, ओके। एंड यस, द सेम थिंग आई वांटेड ओवर हियर, तो मैं यहाँ फिर से उसे रोटेशन दूंगी। आई विल गिव द रोटेशन। सो दिस वे यू कैन मेक इट योर ओन स्प्राइट ओवर हियर। आप अपना खुद का बना सकते हो, राइट। सो दिस वे you can do it. Now after doing you want to give the color, right? तो आपको color fill करना है, so you can do the selection of the colors from here, right? I've just done the selection of the colors. You can see that same thing is been applied over here. आपको यहाँ apply करता हुआ दिख रहा होगा, right? And then you have to click on import, right? The import button पर आप click करोगे and it will be uploaded over there. अब वो upload हो जाएगा वहाँ, that is in Scratch SWF, okay? वहाँ upload करना है, you have to upload over there and then you can open it, okay. Now the next thing that we are going to see, that is about the backdrop, right? आपने ये drawing सीख लिया होगा कि how to you have to draw it, okay. Now we will go for the backdrop, so I will just go for the new project again. And yes, you can see this is the stage. वहाँ का backdrop आपको क्या दिख रहा है? You can see it is blank. लेकिन आपको कोई scene लेना है, then how you will go? So you can see it in this backdrop here. There is an option of gallery. तो आप library में से जाकर आप ले सकते हो. There are many backdrops over here. Whichever you like it, आप वो ले सकते हो, right? It depends on your wish, how you want it. कि आपको कैसे चाहिए, like I have taken this part, so you will see that it will be applied now, okay. तो yes, cat is moving, the story you can make it कि यहाँ से लेकर वो next जगह पे चली गई, तो वो भी आप बना सकते हो. You can make it the scripting over there, okay. तो आप script बना सकते हो उसके related, like here I will write it over here. Event लेते हैं and then I will write it that motion. So in that 10 steps, मैं उसके बारे में 10 steps लेंगी. Yes, you have to remember कि आपको selection करके रखना है, okay. Move, here I want to give it 100 steps, okay. And then I want to go over here in the backdrop and in that I want to do the scripting कि मुझे यहाँ उसका look change करना है. I want to go with the next backdrop, okay. So when the event is clicked, you can see over here. तो आपको backdrop अगर चाहिए तो what you will do, like you will click on this backdrop यहाँ option में and you will take another backdrop from here from the library. जैसे मैंने ये ले लिया and now you just see. Okay, now we will go for the script. You can see over here, right? और ये हम लोग वहाँ place कर देंगे. That is about the sprite, okay. देखो यहाँ वो move हो गया, right? You can see it over here that it is moving, okay. So this way you can also create it. Now the next one is क्या आपको खुद का backdrop बनाना है, then you also have the option the same like a sprite. क्या आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can go for the option that is paint new backdrop, so you can paint it or you can take it the picture, you can upload it from your files. आपके पास अलग से है तो आप वहां से भी upload कर सकते हो. And now we are going towards the sound. Yes, you can create the sound as I have shown you कि party वाला जो मैंने आपको बताया था, so you can create your own sound over there. So you can make your own lyrics you can make your own music tone. So there are 13 sound blocks over here in the Scratch 2. तो हम लोग चलते हैं sound के ऊपर. Right now I will just click on this. First I will take it the event. Now sound, in that you can see play the sound meow. Okay. So if you don't wanted that, तो आप क्या करोगे, sound पे जाओगे और उसे remove करके आप नया ले सकते हो. So here by default there are many of the sound that is given. So any of the things you can take it over there. Okay. So like you can see there are many over here. तो आपको यहाँ ये वाला लेना है. Okay. तो ये ले लिया. And now we will do the scripting. So you can see. Okay. तो यहाँ okay, you can see. Okay, so this way you can play the sound, and there are drums and that all many of the things. मैं यहाँ आपको दिखाऊंगी. ये play the drum. Okay, so just see there are many of the drums over here. It is given snare drum, a bass drum. So you can select any of it. तो मैं यहाँ इसकी duplicate copy बना देती हूँ. Okay, so I will just go to the second. Then again I will make it a duplicate, and I will take it the third one. So this way you can create your own music. आप अपना खुद का music यहाँ बना सकते हो. You can make it. Okay, just see. Okay, and if you want कि वो चलता रहे हर बार, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can go to the controls, and that you will give it forever. आप यहाँ forever में उसे place करेंगे. Just I will show you. Okay, so this way the music will be played. Okay, now the next, that is about, okay, if you want to stop, then yes, you can give it the stop option also, right? तो आप stop का button वाला आप कर सकते हो. आप stop करोगे, so it will be stopped over there. Okay, now creating a project, as I have shown you with the music. Now I want to go with the dancing sprite, or maybe I want to create a birthday party. तो मैं यहाँ कर सकती हूँ. तो यहाँ sprite के लिए हम लोग backdrop change कर लेते हैं, that according to the birthday party. तो हम लोग backdrop में जाएंगे, and yes, we will go with the backdrop which is having the birthday party. Okay, yes, so let's go for the party. Okay, and yes, now we will go for the next, that is about, you want the friends of sprite, so आप उसके friend भी ला सकते हो. You can go to this part and select other people, right? तो आप यहाँ और ऐड कर सकते हो. I'll just go for the animals. तो एनिमल्स की पार्टी है, सो यस, बर्थडे पार्टी, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो हम लोग लेंगे, we'll take it elephant, we will take it another sprite over here, that is okay, we will go with the monkey. हम लोग monkey भी ले लेते हैं. अब आपको दिख रहा होगा, right? So yes, you can have it. Now we will, how we will have it without the cake? तो हमें केक तो चाहिए, तो हम लोग फिर से जाएंगे यहाँ, and we will select the cake over there, right? So yes, you can select the cake. अब हमने केक भी सिलेक्ट कर लिया, लेकिन केक कुछ ज्यादा ही बड़ा है. So what you can do, you can shrink it the cake over here, right? So I will just shrink it. I will make it small. Okay, so we have done the shrinking, and yes, now we will have the music for that, and we will also see that thing कि हाँ कैसे हम लोग करेंगे. First of all, हमें चाहिए कि हम लोग yes, we want to play the sound of birthday party, so we'll take the event over here. Now we will go for the sound, and in that sound we will do the selection. तो पहले sound ले लेते हैं यहाँ से. So we'll take the birthday party sound. Okay. Okay. So yes, we will do the scripting of birthday, and then after that we want to give it over here. That forever अगर चाहिए, then you can go for forever also. Okay. तो देखें, start करें. can stop. Now we are going for the next, that is dance, right? So अगर dancing वाला हमें करना है, so how you will do it? So for that हमें फिर से यहाँ sprite change करना है, right? So we will just delete this one and we will go with new. तो हम लोग यहाँ ले रहे हैं dancing, so we will go for the people, और people में हमारे पास है yes. ओके, नाउ यू विल सी ओवर हियर, यहाँ आप देखोगे तो उसके कॉस्ट्यूम में आपको दिख रहे होंगे बहुत सारे कॉस्ट्यूम्स, यू कैन सी फोर वेज, राइट? तो आप यहाँ कॉस्ट्यूम्स में आपको चेंज करना है. सो इफ यू वांटेड एट द फर्स्ट ये वाला, तो आप ये एट द फर्स्ट आप प्लेस कर सकते हो. एंड नाउ आई विल डू द स्क्रिप्टिंग. तो मैं यहाँ स्क्रिप्टिंग में मैं क्या करूंगी, आई विल चेंज द बैकड्रॉप. ओके, तो बैकड्रॉप वाले में जाकर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we'll go with the backdrop option and we will do the selection of the backdrop for the dance party. So according to that we have it two things over here, like हम लोग यहाँ ये place करेंगे. Then the second one will be, yes, we will remove this one. Second वाला हमें लेना है, yes, spotlight. Okay, हमने दो ले लिए. Now you can see it over here. Two backdrops are there with us. Okay, two backdrops. And now I wanted over here कि हाँ उसके साथ उसके color का effect change हो जाए. So what we will do now, we will go for the scripting. So what we will do, first we will go with the event, right? तो हम लोग event के साथ जाएंगे. Then we will go with forever. हमें forever चाहिए because we want continuously that thing to be done. तो हम लोग जाएंगे यहाँ forever में and then we will take it over here, that is next backdrop, right? तो हमें किस में जाना है, we have to go over here and select the next backdrop and color change करना है. You want to change the color, so you can take the color over here. So okay, right, now you just see over here the color is also changing and with that the backdrop. Yes, so if you like this thing, please like it, share it to many of the people, right? With that if you want the music, तो आप इसके costume के साथ अभी costume वाला change करना है, then you can go with the costume. So what you will do again, आप लोग comment box में लिख सकते हो, right? You can write in the comment box that what you want the changes and you can try it by yourself. Okay, and you can also share with me, आप मेरे साथ share कर सकते हो, right? तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगेगा that you liked it and you have understand about it. Now I'll go with the next costume. Why next costume? देखा होगा आपने कि that there were three others, right? हमने तो एक ही किया था लेकिन अभी देखो 3. Yes, so dancing movements, you can see your different dancing movements over here. So I think that I've cleared your doubt and everything is nice. अगर आपको music add करना है तो आप music भी add कर सकते हो. तो I will just go for event again और मैं यहाँ when click ले लूँगी. Then we will go for the sound. Okay, and we will go with the sound. तो पहले sound ले लेना है. Just click on the sound and select the sound which you wanted. मैं यहाँ से लूँगी music groups. Yes. Okay, I want to take this one. Click on OK. ले लिया हमने. अब हम scripting पे जाएंगे and then we will take it this one. Okay. Okay. So yes, you can see it over here. The music is going on with that. Okay. So please like, share and subscribe, and I will also share with you another type of scratch in which the story animation you can do it. आप story animation देख सकते हो. So just go to my channel and subscribe it so you can get the notification.